I'm tall.
Yeah, that would be no good. I'll turn it off.
What, you can't hear it?
No, I can't even hear it.
I hear it. I can hear it.
Well, I can't.
Well, then why is it bothering you?
Because I'm the one who's trying to listen to the shit.
Well, I guess it would make sense to have the speakers on the outside. And when you're on the outside listening to it, well, just put out some speakers on the outside.
You can't. He bolted it to the wall.
Well, get another stand. Hook them up.
I'm making gravy for next year.
My name is Davey. Life got crazy. I used to get around.
Traveling, he said.
Mama, Mr. Baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead. You do a garden walkthrough. We haven't had those in a while. Are you gonna put a floor down? Or like, or just fill it with dirt after the chicken wire?
No, because you got to have the thing to slide the rabbit poop out.
Oh, that's true. Oh, so there will be a, what are you gonna use to pull out? Ow. Did you cut any of the wood at an angle? This. This is gonna be not the door, this is gonna be a wall.
Otherwise it'd be too tight.
Now, what if they do have a nice looking garden.
Do they have a nice looking garden? I didn't really look at the garden. I just looked at their food pictures.
Maybe I just looked at the food too.
That
they probably got from the grocery store.
Why are you hating on them?
You got a nice grocery store.
But they did have some good posts about stuff.
Yep, I'm gonna follow them.
Look at these rabbit hutches we got from Facebook Market. This one was $10. And it's a little fixer-upper. It's missing its thing, but Hey, it's a good start. And then this one's big. And they're a little old, but look at that. This one was $30. They could sleep up here. Look how they could climb up here to sleep. They can run around down there. And this one is long. This one, oh, they could also climb up there and sleep. This one was also $30. So we're fixing up Rabbit Hopperville, Hoppington, the Hoptons, the Hoptons. Stay tuned for the Hoptons. Oh, and this is so that you can put that bigger one on it to collect the rabbit poop and use it for garden use.
My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around. Mama missed a baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead.